What's up, guys? How y'all doing? I have a I'll be if y'all didn't heard from the short what I posted, if it didn't posted yet, but I basically I'm gonna be opening chest on my Boat for treasure. You've probably seen I did it before. It's just I have an idea of doing it. I have a lot of gold, by the way. I have an AFK farm and I've been doing it, so it's like a lot of gold. You see how much I have when I get in. It took me way longer than what it said though, because I looked it up like you know what RSKI how long it take me or something because of how much I'm just at. It's been but it took way longer than that. But even then it's an AFK form, so I can be like doing it for like 9 days or something, and then I get like a million gold. So where is it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If y'all didn't see, I got a private server that time too. From if y'all can see. Hold up. You see? I have a plus. Have I didn't bought it. I just got the free subscription for now. I'm seeing how it is. For seeing how it is, it's kind of cool for because I'm done. See how much gold I have by the way? I only have like 210,000, and then wait, hold up. I'm gonna go to the end 2 times because I want to be able to get like the maximum amount of like. These are really first starters. These are really good right here. I don't know how y'all can hear me, but like how it sounds and stuff like that. Like this is a really good starter right here. You use this right here. I'm gonna tell you how to get these right here. You can get from the quest. If y'all probably already heard it before. You can get from the Find Me quest, and then these you see those things like things on the top. You can buy them in the shop, like somewhere right here. See, you can get 3 of them. And sometimes the good box you can if you not if you look, but yeah, I see. Look at it. That's a good example right there. See, you can buy them in the like this area right here with the limited time things that are not limited time, but like when the things are in there.
What the freak? Quiet. Well, look at it. Look.
What the flip? Queso sketch in Jinxie? What the heck? Flip me.
What the freak, bro?
It's crazy, what? Watch out for this. Just shut up. There you go, there. You see how like good this is? Just watch out for like when you hit things like the things can easily knock you out. Like that's yeah. See that? Wait, watch out for these. Wait, hold up. I'm gonna show you a shot what I used to do, or what I still do, but you see this? This is the area you can land on and you say it's like a safe place. And you can go up. So, yeah, just try to not hit the tornadoes. Because when you hit it, it's gonna easily knock you out. You hear? What for cannons? Oh no, well not cannons, but wait, this is no one. Quit, man. Dang, I'm gonna do it 2 times. It'd be extra time in this. Why not? You know. It's not really the greatest, I'm gonna say, but it's pretty good. I got this time. You gotta see some like clutch up on this. See you there. Now go. Gotta count. And then the reason why I'm hitting the floor is because of like damn man. Damn it. I'm gonna do since it already broke my I'm at least get to this. It's doing a little bit. Man, I'm keep dying. Man. I didn't really been doing that for a good bit now, so that's probably why I'm not that good at it yet. I've been using the AFK phone for a good bit that way. Hi, Fred. Really? Oh, well, I mean, I can help you. I really want to help you out with AFK phone. Like, I don't know how long it'll take me to do it. Oh yeah, YouTube. I'm gonna be. Can I make a video on that? Is that good when I make a video on that area, like the map? What you making? I don't know if you.
Hey, Asa is calling me. Hey, Asa, how you doing? Hey, baby girl. Nah, I'm playing. How you doing, bro?
That's actually crazy. Okay, bro. Bro, you need to get better.
I don't type this. I say it in the speaker.
Oh, boy.
Thanks, bro.
But you need to learn how to type more, bro. That thing sounds
Doing
terrible,
something
bro.
right, like I'm like in Fortnite or something.
Oh,
Playing it.
oh,
Like, I'm
oh.
saying it in the speaker. Bro, I'm gonna start like typing it, bro.
Bro, what the heck?
Every gang song.
Bro, why is your blanket so soft though? I picked it up a couple times because I tried to move it.
Whoa! Why
No,
touch your blanket?
no, okay,
Why
bro.
touch your
Oh my.
blanket?
I try to clean up the room because I try to move things around to clean it up to make it look better.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen that, bro. Yeah, bro.
Wow! What is that?
But let me watch a video after I'm done with this floor right here.
Wait, Mom. Wait, hold up. I put the chicken in the bag thing, by the way. That's the chicken in the bag if you don't eat the chicken. Wait, you actually want to
I'm not playing it right now, but.
Oh no, okay,
later we can.
no. I'm good.
Wait, you may go get on right now? Bro, you should troll it. You should troll him, bro. Yeah. Bro, what the point of you going to school that point?
What is that? Okay. Is that a bag? Oh, it's probably from like the or something.
Hey, bro, you should bring your Hello Kitty. Not bring What the heck, really?
Oh shoot, Zachary, your window.
What? Wait.
Your window?
Oh, really?
Yes, dude. I'm about to buy it, guys. I'm about to buy it.
Oh, you don't like wearing them?
Let me.
The white ones are bigger because they're meant for men, so they can match. Because that's like the big trend with them. Because they want to match with their boyfriend.
Yeah.
So they get the white ones, and they actually get pretty big for me.
Oh, about to say.
If I wanna buy 2 epic chests, how much can I get for legendary chest after that?
Oh, dang,
So
bro.
yeah, those are pretty big. The white ones.
If you buy a legendary chest from the shop in Clash Royale, it costs 500 gems. If you are maxed out on the legendary card you pull from a chest, it converts into 1.
October, September, some shit.
Hey, what is the days of the
If I want to buy 2 epic chests and the rest of my gold with the legendary chest, can you tell me how much I need to, or how much I can get of each? Or how much can I get for the legendary chest? I know I
Okay,
want to
so
get 2, but how much will I be able to get after getting the 2 epic chests?
So buying 2 epic chests will cost you 270 gold total. With 210,763
And I want to
gold,
get legendary
you'd
chests
have
after that.
right. So after buying those 2 epic chests, you could afford 519 legendary chests with the gold you have left. Do you want to go ahead and buy them?
Two. Boom right there, and then
2 what? Just got it. You just bought 2 epic chests. So do you want to put the rest of your gold into legendary chests now?
yeah, and then 519.
Okay, that'll give you 519 legendary chests. Just tap that buy button whenever you're ready to grab them.
Bro, now I need to build this whole entire side of the house, bro.
519.
That's right,
Right,
519 legend.
This is an unstable. This is the unstable SCP server. What?
Man, money is so easy to go, bro. I literally used all my. I used, now I have 20,000.
Yeah.
More than, oh my. I probably have 50,000 off. 50,000 including blocks now on here. I literally had 200,000 and I spent it all already.
Yeah, those chests definitely add up quickly. Did you
Dang, I have 6 chests over the purple ones, which
Goodness,
is
bro, I don't
rare.
even have enough wood, bro. It's so hard to get a good amount of wood on here.
I'm not gonna be living. I'm not gonna be living
Is
at
there a max
YouTube.
where you
What?
can get like wood? This auto farm wood.
Oh, that's a thing you can auto farm wood. I'm almost done with this video, so I want to be talking to them and then like.
Fuck, I messed up. Wait.
So
Oh
people,
my
y'all
goodness,
seen that?
I'm
I'm gonna see how much blocks I have now. I
amount
wanna see how
of
much blocks I have.
This is the exact amount of wood I need right here.
342. Wait, it's adding up like crazy actually.
You see this way?
30,000.
Oh, freaking, I wanna show you.
31,000. Wait.
I don't know how the exact amount of wood right there. Wait.
31,000.
And then I need to fill this whole entire side up with wood right here.
You know the crazy thing? I need to get 200,000 more to get to 50,000. Which I don't have extra,
I'm not
but
even, bro. I only have one house on here so far. How much I'm using for a floor become? I'm putting the whole entire floor of wood, like this big giant house. Probably like a hotel or something,
I guess I'm gonna be going now.
or like a.
I'm gonna be going now, YouTube. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe and look at my channel. Watch me if y'all want to. Yeah, and subscribe to Polar Dessert and the Wesley Rollins
Yeah, and Noah J500
and Noah J500
and Biggie Lobato but Doopy Bada
and Biggie Lobato with Boogie Lobato.
See, that's what you guys need to be recording right there.
Oh yeah, Wyatt and Sophia 123 Wyatt.
And Sophia 123.
Exactly.
Wait, what is our sister's Roblox account again?
Hello.
Sarah something. Well, have a good one. Have a good one, YouTube. Bye.
World News Tonight.
Hold it back. I'm just gonna make a
Are
little.
you watching the World Cup by the way?
AI apps.
Yeah, I saw
Oh,
that.
you saw it? And
Are you watching the World Cup? Are you going to the
Sub.
World Cup?
I want how much I want right here.
Speaking English.
What? I said World
100
Cup, bro.
more subscribers. That is all I need, bro. But I'm up for now, at least. You know what I mean? 100 subscribers for this. Wait, this race. 100 subscribers right here. That'd be sick.
I don't know.
And now
what
I'm
to
gonna do this.
bro.
Yeah.
Has,
Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, bro.
Online.
I swear
say
I
it's
heard
a
that.
big-
No, I
Bye,
swear I
guys.
did. I swear